Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install Steam. I'll show you how to install Steam for Chromebook. So first, you're going to go into the Chrome browser. And yes, into the Chrome browser, and then you're going to click enter Chrome:/flags and search for Borealis Enabled. I will put that Borealis Enabled command down in the comments below, well, the description below. And once you enter that, you're going to click Enable. Your Chromebook will restart, and it'll give you a little thing, and you click Restart. So if you're watching the video on your Chromebook or on your device, make sure you're watching the rest of this or on another device, or wait for it to reload back up on your device before continuing. So once you do that, you're going to go into the launcher and search for Steam Installer, and then you're going to install for Chromebook, and it should install like it has on my screen. And you'll have to wait a few minutes or a few seconds to eat. It will show you like an estimating time, but you never know if that's right. And you'll let it load up. And then it should say Steam for Chromebook beta loading. This came out a few years ago, but it's still the same way you have to enable it. So we'll see. And then it's going to run this Steam setup again. Then it's going to update Steam to make sure it's on the latest version. And so it's using a thing called Proton. And what Proton is, it's just like a layer. So you can play Steam games on Chrome or Linux or it will connect you to like a virtual Windows machine, and you can play those games there. But it is surprisingly responsive and actually really, really great. So, yeah. So I think I'm just still waiting for this update to load. And it's downloading update, so I'll wait for that to finish up. So this is available for Chromebooks with 8 gigs or higher, or with a Core i3 or similar compatible processor. But it's mainly the 8 gigs of RAM. It's the main thing. You might be able to get it on other Chromebooks. I'm just not sure how well it'll work. So we'll keep waiting for that to load. So I hope you're liking this video so far. If you are, please subscribe, please like, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can and answer all your questions. So while it's loading up, it's still updating, so we'll have to wait a few minutes or a few seconds. Alright. So now that it is finished, it's extracting the update, I guess, but we'll wait for that. So it does show up in the launch, I guess, so it's doing that again. Alright, there we go. And now it's all set up. So what you would do right now is you log in with your account name and your password.